Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you know by the title, is all about the Plume sponges, and they're the microfiber sponges. Let me show you the packet. So I just took them out from the packet and used them to create this look. So I have done this complete makeup, my full face, my eyeshadow, everything is with the sponges. Like, look at the eyes, guys. Isn't it stunning? Everything is done with the sponges. So I took this challenge where they asked everyone to do a full face of makeup with only the sponges. So I think I did pretty decent, and yeah, so now let's just jump into it. So these are how the packages look. So basically you have your sponges inside this. So I got two of their sponges. I ordered them, I bought them myself. So each of them come for 850 rupees. Let me just read the claim. So if you're looking for a more natural airbrushed foundation finish, the microfiber velvet sponge is your go-to. Made with velvet soft microfiber bristles and a slanted edge for controlling stippling, the microfiber velvet sponge provides buildable coverage fast. They are latex free. So these are the two. They are very dirty right now because I've used them completely. So yeah, this is how they look. So let me just show you guys how fuzzy they look, and it's all because of the microfiber that they have, and they are very soft too. So this one is the particular variant that is for precise contouring. So you can see it's a very sharp cut in here and also a cut on the top. So you guys are going to see further in this video how I use this, or how it is supposed to be used for that. And currently they are running a discount on their website, so all you have to do is go to their website and you can check the prices and everything. I got two of them for 1021 rupees. Also, if you're a first time customer, I think you get a percentage off when you visit their website. So yeah, this is the blue one. I love the colors. So I'm not really a fan of pink, so I did not get anything in pink. Rather, I got a lavender one, and how gorgeous does it look. So look at that. Again, it's very fuzzy, and I love the way it feels. This is very soft, though I feel that this one is a lot softer, not a lot softer, like a bit softer than this thing, but both of them, like, I wouldn't have regretted paying 850 each. Like, I love it so much. You guys know all my other sponges that I love, I always keep on talking about them to you guys, and honestly these are the best that I've ever used. So you can see I have done my whole makeup with this thing, but it did not soak up any product particularly. These are eyeshadows, and I do not see any soaking up mark. We all know what a soaking, like, product soaking mark look like, but nothing. Another smart thing that I found is this tiny little dot, if you can see properly, in here, that is not available in any other sponges that I have tried. What I think this does, or what I've seen, is it does not really allows the sponge to soak in and absorb a lot of water. So what happens with a lot of sponges, you squeeze it out and then you think that, oh, all the water is gone, but then you start blending a foundation and the water starts dripping, or there is a lot of water, or there is a lot of unnecessary water. So it does not let that happen. Still it is really moist. I have dampened it yesterday, and today morning it was still moist. So that's a very good thing, I think, because if a sponge gets dry too quick, your makeup is not going to last or look good. Not last, but yeah, look good. So a very important thing that I wanted to tell you guys is buying good quality makeup is as important as buying good quality tools. Your makeup will not turn amazing if you don't have an amazing tool. So I know I'm raving about it, but these are so good, guys, and this is not a sponsored video by any means, and if even it was, you guys have always received an honest review from me. So yeah, these two sponges are amazing. I did use this one for baking too. You guys are going to see it further. So yeah, this works for baking, for contouring, for powder contouring. I actually use this one to powder contour, and this turned so good. So yeah, without wasting time, we will just jump into the video. But before that, you guys need to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. Also, the people who have already subscribed to my channel, you need to click the bell icon and select all notifications so that you have notifications every time I upload. So now I'll just dampen both of the sponges. These two, they're still in the pack. So these are the two. They're damp, like a little bit damp, because when they came in yesterday I did damp them. I couldn't resist, I'm really sorry, but yeah, I'll definitely re-damp them now. Re-damp them, if that's a word. So here's the water. So right now we'll just straight away move into the application. So this is the first time I'm actually going to use the sponges, like both of them. I'm going to apply my foundation with this one, and for today I did select this one because it's kind of hard to blend in, especially with the sponge. I did tell you guys about this when I reviewed it, and I did mention that I use a brush with this one. So let's see what it does today. But first I'm going to apply a primer. I have never really applied primer with a tool. I think that's what the challenge is all about. So I'm going to use this one for the primer. This feels really soft on the skin. So the primer is done. So let's just dive into the foundation now. I'm in the shade 7, F7. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll use two different sponges for two sides. I think that's fair. They don't really feel like if you squeeze them too hard the water is going to come out, so that's a good thing. And why did I say it feels weird is I don't really have to do much and it's blending. Thankfully till date none of you guys thought I faked a review, because I really didn't and I won't. This one is supposed to be a precision contour one, but it still managed to do my foundation, so that's a good thing. So now let's see the product absorption. So I would say there is zero product absorption. The spots that you see here are stains, they are not absorption, because absorption looks different. So I'll just show you what absorption looks like. This is my Real Technique sponge and you see this is product absorption. Just look, I know it's very dirty, but yeah, this is product absorption. How can this not have product absorption? Oh my god, this is really good. So let's just move on to concealers. So now I'm just going to use this one because again only precision contouring with this. So now I actually want to try a dry powder with this one. It says that it can blend anything. Actually this powder as a contour powder. Guys, I swear this was supposed to be patchy. Oh my god, what is up with this one? Because I'm just layering a powder on top of a cream product with a wet sponge and it's okay. Wow. So now it's time for some loose powder. So for reverse baking, I'm going to use the Precision Contour one. I think I'll just do my eyebrows off camera. So I'm back with the eyebrows done. For the eyeshadow, I am thinking of using this one. This is the Huda Beauty Melted Matte Eyeshadow. I've already done a tutorial with this on my Instagram. So I'm going to use the shade called Room Service. I'm going to use it with this tip. So let me just apply it. Oh, okay, not bad at all. So now what I want to do is very risky, but I kind of want to do a cut crease with this thing. Do I sound crazy? Let me see. So I'll just take this Swiss Beauty Champagne Liquid Eyeshadow. I could have used this one, but this is expensive, so I don't want to waste it. So yeah, I'm just going to fill this portion in. So I've done that. I don't know how much you can see it, but yeah, I just rather be quick. Guys, this is, oh my god. So I'm just stamping it like this. Like, did I just invent the easiest cut crease? Oh my god, I love it. So now a little bit of scary part because I need to do underneath my eyes. I'm going to make weird faces now, okay? So now I'm gonna take this one and do the inner part. I think this much is allowed. So here I'm back and now it's time for some blush and highlighter. So I kind of wanna go for a monochromatic look. So I'll just take the lipstick in here. I actually like using lipstick as my blush because it's more soft. I'm just going to take a little bit of it from my hand and stamp it right in. I'm going to take the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Intense Matte Plus Primer in the shade Tea Rose. So here it is. It just works for everything. It feels so good on the lips. So yeah, that's it for the video. I did enhance my lipstick a bit, but yeah. So yeah, that's it for these two. Oh my god, these are so good. So let's talk about the pros and cons. I think the first pro will be it is really decently priced, because if you talk about the original beauty blender, it's very expensive. The white pea sponge is 1200 rupees, though I have not tried it, but I think you don't really need anything if you have these. So the YBP is really expensive. If you go for the Real Technique one, it's again for 800 bucks. So yeah, I think it's decently priced. They come in this reusable packages with a zip kind of lock in here, so you can store them in two. So I just totally forgot what I was saying because I had to stop filming construction. Yeah, so anyway, I think these do not have any cons. I did not find it. Of course, in future if I do, I'll let you know. But another pro is while we use it, while we wash it, a lot of sponges gets like cracked. So for example, I'm going to show you this sponge. So these are all the nail marks that I have on them, but I do not really think you can do it with this sponge. So I think it is going to last you for a long time. So that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll keep posting a lot of reviews and also a lot of Durga Puja looks for you guys. So thank you for watching. I love you all.